There is a lot of information to consider when it comes to claim payments. Payment Tracker is a tool inside of Xactimate that automatically syncs with the data in your estimate to help you accurately view, record, and report claim payments. To get to Payment Tracker, click on the Tools tab and select Payment Tracker. Here, you can see all the replacement cash values collected from your estimate, the totals of the settlement, and a list of all payments and history. This list includes any advanced payments issued, as well as the final settlement payments. To record a settlement payment, make sure the estimate is marked as complete. Then in Payment Tracker, next to the total payments pending, you can click Record Payment to document that payment was issued to the policyholder. It's also simple to account for a supplement to the estimate. Just reopen the claim by changing it back to In Progress. Then, make the needed change to the estimate. Change the estimate back to complete when you are finished with the supplement. The change will immediately be reflected in Payment Tracker, and new payments can be recorded if needed. One thing you can do to make it easier to remember to record payments after a supplement is made or when an estimate is completed is to set a reminder in Xactimate Preferences. To do that, go to Xactimate Preferences and click on the Pricing tab. And then click the box next to Pay ACV Prompt when completing. This will give you a pop-up box when you complete an estimate and ask you if you'd like to record a payment. And if you do, that will record the payment in Payment Tracker. And that's how you can use Payment Tracker to help you verify, track, and record claim payments in Xactimate. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.